Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I am going to be reviewing the Skywriters. It's a giant foam airplane, just like that. This is not sponsored. Actually my neighbors picked this up for me, so shout out to them. And we're just going to put it together. We're going to review it, and hopefully it works. I have experience with these. I've had to put together the wings back onto the body, and I've had to duct tape a lot, so if worse comes to worst, I am going to have duct tape, and I do have a full roll, and I have some rope for some reason. I don't know why I bought rope, but we got this, so let's get on to the assembly part of the video. On to the assembly part, we're gonna, scissors, you know what, screw it, we're gonna rip it. Hopefully that didn't break. It didn't break! So, first part, we've got a big, long, drop it. Got a big, long, body for the airplane, so, part one. And then, part two, we have, I guess, the back part, and then, I guess, goes on there. I think this is, I don't know which wing this is. It's the right wing. I lied. That's the left wing. This is the right wing. It has an R on it. Good job. Okay. So, we can just, yep, we can do that. And then we just got stickers. Stickers. We got some wing stickers, some body stickers. Great. Okay. So, I think what we're going to do first is we're going to assemble this. So, we take the body. Oh, no. Okay, then we're going to do that. And we're going to take the other wing, if I could place that on there. Oh, yeah. This is great. Okay. Put the other wing in. It's looking good. I just got to make it a little bit tighter here. Alrighty. It's looking pretty good for now. So it looks like we've got our pretty much the whole thing. Except for, this thing is this, how big is it? 4 feet, dang. Okay, and the final piece is just gonna kind of, gotta go back on the back. So I think we're ready to take to the skies. I might add some stickers, I might like decorate it and stuff, but you'll know once I'm outside, so let's go! Okay, I know I said I was gonna be going outside, but I wrote a lot of stuff on it.
I wrote, like 40, so I can't do this right now. Okay. I wrote like 40, because we just hit 40 subscribers. Like and subscribe, because you just get no skip. Anyway, I wrote Medland on both sides, and then I wrote, on the bottom I wrote why you're working here, and I wrote hi and hi. And then we got, I just did some access there, and then I wrote, but anyway, this. So guys, like my plane, and I also added the stickers, so that was awesome. So,
Let's go.
here we go.